If you're looking to activate direct deposit on Chime, here's how you can get started. First, open the Chime app on your smartphone and log in with your account credentials. Once you're in, tap on Move Money at the bottom of your screen and then select Set Up Direct Deposit. On this screen, you'll find Chime accounts, routing, and account numbers. You can copy these numbers to provide to your employer or payroll provider. Alternatively, tap Get Completed Form to have Chime email you a pre-filled direct deposit form, which you can print and hand over to your employer. If your employer is supported, you can also tap Find Employer to search for and set up direct deposit directly with the app. This feature connects with over 30,000 employers, payroll providers, and unemployment agencies. Once you have provided your direct deposit information, it may take up to 2 pay cycles for your employer to process the change. After that, you'll start receiving your paychecks directly into your account, and you might even get paid up to 2 days early. Remember, setting up direct deposit not only streamlines your paycheck process, but also unlocks features like Spot Me for free overdrafts and ability to get paid early.